To redeem your Meta Quest gift card, start by making sure you have a Meta account and the Meta Quest app installed on your device. If you do not have a Meta account, create one by going to the Meta website and following the sign-up process. Next, launch the Meta Quest app on your device and sign in with your Meta account credentials. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Store section of the app, where you can browse and purchase games and apps for your Meta Quest headset. To redeem your gift card, click on the menu icon and select the gift card option. Enter the gift card code and the PIN, if required, and click Redeem. The gift card balance will be added to your Meta account, and you can use it to purchase games, apps, and other content from the Meta Quest store. You can check your gift card balance at any time by going to the Store section of the app and clicking on the menu icon. Select the account option and then click on Payment Methods to view your gift card balance. When making a purchase, ensure that your gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the item. If your gift card balance is not enough, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Meta Quest gift cards can only be used to purchase digital content from the Meta Quest store and cannot be used to purchase physical products or hardware. Additionally, gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be redeemed for cash, so be sure to use them before they expire. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Meta Quest gift card and start purchasing games and apps for your Meta Quest headset. Remember to always check your gift card balance before making a purchase and to use your gift card before it expires.